In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Actions and Stuff 1.9 here on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Before you do get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, we're going to start from the Minecraft Bedrock main menu. So go ahead and load up Minecraft Bedrock Edition and select this Marketplace tab down here. Once you are in here, you will most likely see Actions and Stuff on the main page, just as it always is up here. But if you don't see it, go ahead and select search and then just search for Actions and Stuff 1.9 and get on the main screen. Now, if you already own the pack, you will see an update button on the right hand side where it does currently say purchase for me. Just keep in mind the pack is no longer free. It did used to be, but now you do have to buy it unless you do have the Marketplace Pass. As of right now, it is on sale, so it is only 10 bucks. If you don't already have it, it's definitely worth picking up. Or if you have mine coins, and we have full guides breaking down how to get those, I definitely recommend checking them out. You can use those mine coins in order to purchase it for 16.90 mine coins. Once you do purchase or update the pack, you can either quick install it or activate it manually. To quick install it, go ahead and just hit download again, and it's going to begin downloading, which shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection. And then from here, either go to play and create a new world or go to a previous world. And in this section, if you scroll down to the resource packs option and go into owned, you will see Actions and Stuff on there. Select activate next to it. And as soon as you do that, you'll be good to go. I'm just going to create a creative world real quick and call it Actions and Stuff and then hit create and you'll see it on there immediately. Now, if the pack isn't installing properly for you, go ahead and go back to the main menu. And once you are on the main menu, what you're going to want to do is go into your settings and then scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see the option for storage selected, and then hit clear marketplace cache and then return to the marketplace and reinstall that pack. You won't need to repurchase it after clearing the cache. Alternatively, if you do want it in every single world, just go to global resources, go to the my pack section and then scroll down, find Actions and Stuff, and then just hit activate it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.